This is Prabhuram. In pharma retail, it is suggested that the HSN code and corresponding GST tax percentage is mapped for each and every item. Getting the data of HSN code and the GST tax percentage from your manufacturer will be a difficult task, and it will also take 3 to 4 days of your time. To simplify this process, GoFrugal has developed a tool through which you can map the HSN code as well as the GST tax percentage for all your items in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes. Let me guide you how to do it.
In your GoFrugal R47 application, click on Go and open GoFrugal Smart Reports. Once the GoFrugal Smart Reports is open, click on the GST HSN Update tab and click on HSN Update under that to open a new tab. In this tab, you can download the latest catalog available in our cloud. The download will be completed based on your internet speed. It may take from 10 to 15 minutes to download the data from cloud. Once the download is completed, you can select the local manufacturers, that is, the manufacturers already available in your database. And in the select catalog manufacturers, you can select the manufacturers from the catalog. For example, if I want to map FDC manufacturers items HSN code and GST tax, from my local I will be selecting FDC Ltd that I have saved, and in catalog manufacturers I will be searching for FDC. You can also multi-select manufacturers, and once you have done with the mapping, click on Apply Filters. Now, for the completely matched item list for FDC, around 7 items are completely matched with our database. In this, the product names in local states the name that you have given in your R47 application and the matched item list from the catalog. This column will specify the HSN code, and this GST tax percentage specifies the corresponding GST tax percentage. Click on Save Mappings to map the completely matched items. Similarly, you can do for very closely matched items. Suppose if you don't want to map the current product with the name from the catalog, you can click on Enter and map None. By doing this, the items will not be mapped and the HSN code as well as the GST tax percentage will not be updated in your item master. Check for all the products and click on Save Mappings. For partially matched items, you will be allowed to select items from the catalog. Note that only the mapped items will be updated in your masters. Click on Save Mappings to confirm and apply. Once you are done with all the mappings, click on Update Masters. A confirmation message will be displayed whether you want to update the GST percentage also or whether to update only the HSN code. If you want to update the GST percentage also, enable this and click on Confirm and Apply. Once you have done that, the syncing will be successful and the HSN code and GST tax percentage from the cloud data will get updated in your item master. Let's check for this tablet, Zorno Tablets 10T, whether it has reflected in our item master as the HSN code and GST tax percentage. Go to Item Master and search for Zorno Tablets, and under GST tab you can find that the HSN code as well as the GST tax percentage is mapped.
Hope we have simplified your process. If you have already received the database of HSN codes for items from your manufacturers, please mail us the database to hsnupdate@gofrugal.com. This will help us serve other pharmacists like you. For further clarifications, reach us through our help chat chitty or raise a ticket in my GoFrugal app.